I wanted to take a quick walk around my Cessna 170B. This is a 1956 model. And as you can see, she's in beautiful shape. 180 gear legs, 850 tire. And it is in great shape. It's been super maintained by Northwest Seaplanes and San Juan Airlines. I'm the chief pilot for Northwest Seaplanes, JimThePilot.com. And this is November 3476 Delta. It's got the big flaps on it. The 170B has those big flaps. There's the panel. Brand new ICOM radio. It's got the glare shield with the lights in it. This one still has the old fuses in it, which I don't mind. Headliner is in great shape. It's got the aerobatic seat belts. Back seat's out because we put our bicycles in here every now and then. But I do have the back seat. It's in my attic in my garage. Better show you that panel one more time. Intercom system for the pilot and co-pilot built in. There's the jacks right up in here. One on that side and one over on that side. Doors close nice. The Cessna wingtip droop also. It's got the strobe lights also, which I like. Great airplane. Kind of hate to see it go. There's my Subaru over there. I like old cars. It's an old Subaru Loyale. touch-up paint. These old cowls, they sometimes crack a little bit. But this one's not in bad shape at all. I forgot to put the flaps down for you. Fire extinguisher there also. You can see there's, I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is the only real repair I could find on this door. I guess there's in a ground loop there, we had to take the door off and repair that door. Another nice closing door. Another real minor little deal here. It's been stop drilled right there. It's a very, very clean airplane. And the paint is fantastic. This was done by a company not in service anymore, Aircraft Airways. I think that's what they called it. And then you've seen a lot of my videos flying this thing. Yeah, there it is. Airways Aircraft. Yeah, I think they're out of business now, but it's a fantastic paint job. It's got the Cessna scheme on it also. So that's my airplane, the Cessna 170B 1956. I'm Jim the pilot. And you can see this airplane at Cessna170forsale.com. Okay, thanks. It's a great dirt strip airplane too.